Lastly, let's finalize and send this. At the bottom of the email campaign creation page, click the Edit Settings next to Additional Settings. There's plenty of advanced options in here. Some of the key ones to point out are the Add a Tag functionality, where you can add a tag to a contact upon sending this email. So I'll just say Conference Welcome and add that tag to anybody who receives this email. I'll also use a different reply to address. This is for if you want to have email recipients respond to a different email address than the one that's sending this campaign. So I'm going to set info@cloverleaf.audio and then click Save. At the top of the email campaign creation, I'm going to click Schedule, and you can send now, schedule for later, or send at the best time. Personally, I'm happy with this email, and I'm going to send it now. This will return you to your campaign's overview page, and you can see that the email campaign is scheduled to send. It's essentially sending right now. That's the scheduled time. And when it's finished, you'll see all the stats appear right here in the center section. After refreshing the page, I can see that it's currently running. Refreshing again, I can see that the email has been sent to 11 recipients. Once an email is finished sending, you can go to the right side of it and click the button to view the report. This shows you a whole bunch of technical information to really understand how your email is being received. Quickly, some other pages to know about under the campaigns section of this app are the statistics page, where you can look at overall high-level details about your email campaigns, and the template section. Here in the template section, you'll see the email template we saved ready to reuse for creating new campaigns without redoing all your hard work.